What are you doing? Are you being silly?
Uh-oh.
Where's Thomas? We better go get him and turn him off. Why don't you turn him off, William? William, please turn Thomas off. Press the button. Thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Light.
Yes.
Oh, light.
Yes, the light is on the camera. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Can you go get Daddy's socks? Can you go get Daddy's socks?
Too busy dancing.
Are you dancing?
Okay, bye-bye.